this video I will be using a deployment board, which is in my case here is Arduino Uno. Why I am using this? Because I want to make this LED glow after certain interval of time, and after glowing for let's say 2 to 3 seconds, I will make it turn off again without touching. I will not interfere. The system will automatically turn the LED on and turn it off. For this I am using this deployment board, LED as a load, jumper wires for connecting the circuit, and breadboard to make the complete circuit. Okay, we will need another thing, and it is Arduino cable. This will help us to connect to the laptop or our computer. And I'm not using battery as a power source because the laptop will power this Arduino and LED. So these are the things that we'll be needing for this project. So let's start our project by coding the program for it. So let's head to our computer. So this is the interface of Arduino IDE, or the software that we will be using to code the program, or to write the program for the LED to glow for 3 seconds and turn off for 2 seconds. So initially you will get these two commands. Here is void setup and void loop. I'll erase this first and I'll write it again. So we'll start with the void setup. Void setup. This is because we have various kinds of pins in the deployment board, which is our Arduino Uno, and we have to set a specific pin for the signal output, okay, from where the signal will be sent to the LED. So we have different kinds of pin. From those pins I'll be using pin number 6. So pin mode, I have 6 number pin. I'll set this 6 number pin as output. The signal will be out from this point. This is only the setup I need to do for this project. And next I have void loop. This is because I am turning the LED on and off in a repeated manner. So it will turn on for 2 seconds, turn off for 2 seconds, and turn on for 3 seconds, and the process will repeat. I will start the loop, curly braces, and in that pin, okay, in that pin, pin number 6, I want to give a high output. High means turn on signal, okay. Digital digital write, pin number 6 is a digital pin, not an analog pin. So digital write pin number 6 with high. High means there will be 5-volt power supply or 3-volt power supply to the LED, so that the LED will glow. And I want that LED to glow for 3 seconds. So I will add a delay for 3 seconds. So to give 3 seconds we give 3000. It is in milliseconds, okay. 3000 milliseconds equals to 3 seconds, okay. So this in 3 seconds, and I will after that turn the LED off. So digital write digital write pin number 6 low. That means it will turn off for how many seconds? 2 seconds. So delay 200 2 seconds, okay. So this is all. the coding that we need to do for LED to glow for 3 seconds and turn off for 2 seconds. So now I need to verify this code. So to verify this code, I will check the tick mark, verify, and it says compilation error. So there is certain error where I forgot to put the comma, semicolon. So now it's done compiling. Now I need to upload this code. I have connected the board. So before uploading, I need to select the correct board. So go under the tool, and under there you'll see like this computer port 3. So here I have connected Uno, so I'll select this one. And not only that one, under the board manager, so you will get various kinds of board. So select the Arduino Uno. I have Arduino Uno, so I am selecting Arduino Uno. If you have Arduino Nano, select Nano, Mega, select Mega, whatever. Okay, after this, correct board is selected and correct port is selected. Then you can again once verify it. Yeah, it is okay, and then upload. So it will upload. Done uploading. You will see the light on the Arduino board blinks. Here you can see. I will hit the upload button once again, and you will see it blinks. Look, when it blinks, it means it is uploading. Here are all the components. So I'll first set up the LED. For that I'll need a breadboard. In the breadboard, positive and negative, remember this, I have already told in my previous videos also. So one here, this, and after that yellow for positive. And remember that I have marked pin number 6, okay, pin number 6 as an output for signal. So I'll connect one jumper to the pin number 6. So pin number 6, and this will be the positive terminal. So I'll connect it here. So this is the positive, and ground, you can see there is ground here, 2 ground here, 1 ground here, and you can connect to any one of the ground. Okay, there is a ground, 2 ground pins and 1 ground pin, so anyone. I'll connect to this one here. Okay, connected here, and now I'll connect that ground to the ground terminal of my LED. Okay, so this is the complete circuit. I don't need to connect any switch or anything, and now I need to power it. So for powering the circuit, I'll connect this Arduino cable to my laptop. First connect it here, and then connect that Arduino to the laptop. Look. Okay, you can see the light is going on and off. 1 2 3 off, 1 2 on, off. So there is nothing. I'm not touching anything. I'll turn the light off. You can see it is glowing on and off. So this is how you make a circuit where you can make a LED light glow on and off on certain interval of time. If you like my videos, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel for similar kind of videos in future. Thank you.